Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpus. Welcome to our home in Middle Quarry. Unfortunately, our music, guitar or whatever videos are doing well. Thank you so much, YouTube. And it's time to do more. Okay? I'm a little drunk. Ooh! So I wanna do original songs. So this is one of my original songs. I made it a while ago. So gusto nyo na bang magwala? Or gusto nyo nang magsayaw? Magwala. Wait. Anyways, wait. Let's do it again. I'm a little drunk. Usually, I do it once. But I'm a perfectionist now because I'm drinking. So, let's do it again. Okay, wait. Bang. Ay, okay, wait. Wait. I'm a little drunk, okay? I'm sorry. This is my Louis Corpus original song, so I just made it a while ago. Gusto nyo na bang magsayaw? Gusto nyo na bang maglasing? Ay, magwala. Okay, wait. I can't go full force with this guitar because I just destroyed it. You know, I'm a fighter. Just get destroyed. So, okay. So, that's why I'm doing mellow stuff. Let's start again. I'm so sorry. This is another Louis Corpus original song. I don't know the title. Gusto nyo na bang magwala? Okay, let's do this. The wig is itchy. Gusto nyo na bang magsayaw? Gusto nyo na bang magwala? Gusto nyo na... Oh, wait. Gusto nyo na magwala. Never mind, that's the point, okay? This guitar is now destroyed. That's how I'm explosive. I'm sorry. Anyways, thank you so much to everyone in YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just do whatever I want and it's working. Thank you for all the nice comments. Thank you for everything. You inspire me because people watch it. Watch whatever I do. So, and I feel like I have responsibility to just, anyways, smart people, they find things, positive things to change, to better themselves in anything. Okay, so I know you're all smart people, so even if I'm like, I just want to relax because it's not easy to get sleep because I keep on thinking of stuff. Anyways, more blessings to all of us. And, you know, it's nice to read some comments in YouTube that I don't know, that I inspire people, or it's to me I want to be nice because I know what I can do if I'm not nice. But anyways, it's just sharing, and I don't know, just giving other people something to look forward to, just motivating them. That's just my goal. Is that I'm drunk. Anyways, I don't even know what I'm talking about, but okay, so I'm